Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you for joining. You're certified Mexican. It's such a freaking nice day today, man. I know I'm wearing a freaking sweater, but it's like a good 50 degrees here in Florida. It feels so good. I'm wearing sweaters, but I'm wearing shorts. Today, first things first, I have to actually go get a haircut because, as you can see, it's due. See, it's due. It's definitely due. Then we're gonna come back and we are gonna go and do the injectors. I would have done the injectors and the spark plugs, but I didn't get the spark plugs in time. I only got the injectors. So it is what it is. I'll have to do those when those come. All right, so see you when I get back with the fresh cut. And we're back, guys. Check out fresh cut. You already know. Anyways, I got caught up doing some shopping actually, much needed shopping actually for clothes. But here we are. We're gonna go ahead and show you what we're doing today. These are the retaining clips for, drumroll please, the injectors. We're gonna do the injectors today. Yes, sir. These are index 12s, the latest revision for BMW. And we're gonna go ahead and install them. I'm gonna go ahead and show you as well the old ones and how bad they were as well. Let's do this. Alright, guys, so this is the old injector right here. These are index 7s, and as you can see, they're pretty burnt up at the bottom. That's why we're changing them. These have roughly 90,000 miles on them, so these are pretty clogged up. This was probably one of the reasons why my engine threw a bearing. And these are the new ones, index 12s. These are the latest ones, the newest ones as well. So yeah, let's get to it. These are the retaining clips, and then this is what holds the injector in place. Let's do it. So this right here is where the injector goes. 3, 4, 5, 6, right in there. I'll show you with the old one. This injector goes in just like that. The clip holds 2 of them, which is this clip right here. This goes on the top of the injector right there, and it's kind of got like a curve to it, so whenever you put the nut in the middle, which goes right there, it presses down on it and it makes sure that it's in place. Also, this tab right here has to go on that side right there. That's how you know you're putting them in the right way. Just an update. Also, I got the flywheel resurfaced. Look at how clean that looks. Just gotta order the clutch then, and then the spark plugs are on their way. I was gonna do those as well. As you can see, these are the old ones, the OEM ones. I ordered a 2-step coder, which should be here by Friday. Unfortunately, they didn't get here, but they're already ordered. And we're finished. Pretty easy, right? Pretty fast. There you go. As you can see, injector and the bracket that holds it down and the nut that holds two at a time. 1, 2, 3. If you're doing this same type of job, just remember to record the numbers that are right there and what cylinder you're putting them on, because if you don't, you won't know what to put in the calibration when you go to program the injectors. It's those 6 numbers that you see right there. Very important. And yeah, short vlog for today. Like I said, I would have done the spark plugs, but they didn't come in on time. They're actually going to be here on Friday. These are the OEM right here. Pretty nasty. Pretty bad. Looks like they've never been replaced. Guess what, guys? My spark plugs made it. They're being delivered as we speak. I hope it gives me the package. That's Brandon. He has a GTI. It's a slow GTI. They actually came. Or did they? They did! Woo! They actually came a day earlier. They were supposed to come tomorrow. So we're gonna be putting them on. He's checking out what real horsepower looks like.
You tell lies.
Alright guys, so I just finished gapping the spark plugs. There you go. This is what 500 horsepower looks like. I gapped them to 0.022 with this little tool from BMS. Stick the injector in there, and then you push that down and stick that in there, and boom, they're gapped. Now I'm gonna install them, and then that's it. Next time on the next video, we're gonna go ahead and install the clutch, and hopefully we're gonna have the engine inside the car. It's exciting stuff. I can't wait. Woo! Maybe we'll start it? Nah, I don't know.
And lose to me.
He claims to be faster than me. He's got a slow GTI.
Beat up, baby.
And yeah, guys, that's it for today. I'm just gonna put these in. Nothing to it, just, you know, torque them down. That's it.
Do you have grease for it?
Nah, grease goes in the coil packs.
Really?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Yeah. Stay tuned for the next video, which is gonna be next week around Thursday, Friday. Thanks for joining your certified Mexican, and I hope you guys have a good day, a good night, at whatever time it is that you're watching. I hope you're having a great day.
Subscribe and like.
Yeah, subscribe, like,
Share.
Let me know what you think of me and my Mexicanness.